Okay, welcome back to Beacon Hill Academy. As you can see, currently staff and students who come in through the school come into the reception area and then meet one of our reception team. And this is Miss Oakley. Miss, can you tell us the process of what happens when I come to you, please?
Yeah, so when you arrive, I'll ask you a few simple questions, just generally how you're feeling, check that you don't have any coronavirus symptoms. I'll ask you to hand sanitize your hands, and hopefully you'll be wearing a mask, but if you have forgotten one, then we will be having masks, so you must sort of have a mask at this point unless you're exempt. So I'll ask your name and find yourself on our record sheet. I will then take a registration card and 3 barcodes which will need to stay with you during the process, which will all stay put together. And then I will log the barcode and then hand you your registration card to take through to the next step, which will be the registration and then on to the testing.
Brilliant, thanks Miss. So you can see, really simple process. I've got a barcode, I can come. Currently staff and the students are being registered through our laptop system where they get support to make sure all the registration details are correct. And then the current process that's been done for hundreds of tests so far. And then once I've registered myself with my barcode, I can now look towards the next part of the test. So once you've got your barcode, the current process in school is for staff and for learners on site to come into the main hall. You can see our socially distanced chairs, and we've transformed our hall classroom into a fantastic test and trace centre. On entering the centre, we'll ask you to sanitise your hands, and the member of staff will allocate you to one of our testing bays. And you can see there are 3 testing bays we're using in here. And in testing bay 1, we have Mr. Darmy alongside our superb nurse, Miss Brownsword.
Hi everyone, so here I am in testing bay 1. Welcome to our test centre. So you will have one of these registration cards with a barcode. So I'm just going to hand that over to Miss Brownsword.
So can you just keep that for your record?
Lovely. So,
right. And
that's
this
one
is
side.
the test that we use, so you can see all, and
Yep.
it's still in date.
Brilliant. So we've got over 4,000 tests ready for learners to come and take. It's a very quick process, isn't it, Mrs.
It
Brownsword?
is very quick. So this is an extraction fluid that we use, so I'll just put 6 drops in there.
Yep.
And in a second, I'm going to give you your swab to use, but I'll just explain to you how you use it first.
Yep.
So I'll hold it at that end. Always hold it on the plastic end, don't hold the fabric end.
Yep.
You've got a mirror there to help you.
Yep.
And you do 5 times on one tonsil, 5 times on the other tonsil, and then 10 times up your nose. Okay, just choose whichever side. Don't push it up too far to get a bit of resistance. So before you start, could you blow your nose, please?
Of course I can. Yeah.
You've been there.
Here we go. Okay.
And then could you sanitise your hands as well?
Of course, using some alcohol gel there.
And you have a mirror there to help you find your tonsil, and you've got diagrams there if you're a bit unsure where you're going.
Fabulous. Great.
Okay, and then I'll have this back off you when you finish, so don't put it on the desk or anything.
Okay.
Okay.
That means it's just coming out of its vacuum packet. And then 5 times on one tonsil, 5 times on the other, 10 times up the nose. Okay. Go, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. I'll hand that back to you.
So I'll put it down into the extraction fluid.
Yeah.
And we turn it around a little bit like that. Okay, so you want to use some more around here, you can do tissues, and if you want to put your mask back on.
Lovely.
That's for you. So turn it round like that. Squeeze it. Put the end on there. And you throw the swab away. And then I'll put 2 drops into the test there.
Yeah.
Right, so you just got to wait a couple of minutes to make sure it's working.
Okay.
Right, and I'll show you that it's working. So, just wait. So can you see you've got a purple line?
Yep.
That means it's working.
Brilliant.
And it takes half an hour for the results. So, just start the timer.
Yep.
And we write the time on to test.
Brilliant. So I'll take my ticket and I'll go over to the waiting area and I'll wait for my results.
Yeah, and we'll come out and tell you, and then turn that over so nobody else uses this till it's been cleaned.
Yep, brilliant. And just to reassure our viewers, the whole table and the chair and all the equipment will now be desanitised by a member of our cleaning staff whilst I go and wait in the waiting area.